What? We're paying over the handicap spot. Yeah, they're in the ignition. Alright, we're gonna have to go live from here. Hey, are you fucking with us again? Are you still playing that game?
Alright.
Anybody know how to pick a lock?
Here at Art Basel, Miami, I'm here on the streets talking to young men and women about their impressions of Art Basel. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing fabulous.
What is your name?
My name's Art.
Where are you from?
I'm from Miami, can you tell?
So what is your favorite performer so far?
My favorite performer so far, it would have to be that group show I saw yesterday on the street, on the sidewalk. What was their name? Two Square.
Two Square, I've heard about it.
Two Square yesterday on the street. Yeah, I was happy about that.
I heard one of them had his shirt off.
Shirt off. Oh, the titties were out. Yeah, but it's Miami, so you can do that.
I heard that they've been running with some crazy guy down here, and yesterday he had this crazy titty shirt on. Have you heard about him?
No, who's that?
I don't know, they call him Spy Man.
Spy Man?
Spy.
James Bond?
I don't know, I hear he's a legend.
Spider-Man?
I hear he has, yeah, that's it. I hear he's 7 foot tall, hair as long as his toenails. He can climb up walls and trees.
Missed that guy.
Okay. Alright, I'll text you a little while and exactly what's going on. Yes, I'm here at the Walgreens in Key Biscayne, Florida.
Walgreens. This is the Waldorf.
And I found some shady individuals outside here. And anyway, what do you think about Art Basel so far?
I don't care about Art Basel. Who cares? I don't even care about Art Basel. Who is Art Basel?
Who is Art Basel?
I don't know. What's he look like? I don't even care. I don't even care.
I think Art Basel looks like him.
He is Art Basel. Hey, Mr. Basel.
Well, who are you?
Nobody. Okay. I don't understand what just happened.
What did he say?
So you want me to come? I think that's what he was saying.
You don't know what he was saying?
No. Is this the Gypsy $15 one? Senor. No, the Gypsy $15 one was like, okay, well, you know there's a $15 fee when we get there. And then they're going to assess the charge. And I was like, how much is it for a F-150? She's like, well, depends. She's like, it's going to range. How much did I say the range was? Like 100 to 150? Yeah. Let's call them motherfucker to come here and assess that shit. Alright? Call him. I want them to assess that shit.
Tell him we want a second opinion. Tell him we got a second opinion and we don't like the first one you gave us.
Ask him, tell him, look, because that's how they run their game. They're like, they charge you this $15 fee to assess it, then they're like, oh yeah, that's gonna be $80. So they're charging you $95 over the door. So they come here, they do that whole charade, that whole routine. And then we'd be like, you know what? We're gonna call somebody and get a second opinion. And they're like, you know,
and we make them wait.
They come here to waste your time, but you gotta waste your time. And then that's how you trade with them. You're like, alright, I'll give you $35 a door. Think it can work that way? Let's Jedi mind tricks, man. And open that.
What the hell did you do?
Lock the keys in the motherfucking truck.
When?
At a very crucial time. At a very crucial time. After I got everybody up an hour early. I lied to everybody, so it was a fucking hour earlier. So we could get here and do this. Now we gotta go Target. Somebody.
you.
Damn, am I in the car? Get out of the car! Open the car! I'm locked in the trunk! This is our homeboy. We speak his language. Hello, sir? Yes, hi. Are you nearby? Okay, where are you now? Okay, now you're, okay. Okay. We're waiting here on Biscayne in 30 seconds. Okay, no problem. Alright, cool. We'll see you soon. Yo, what? Is this a joke? What? Is this a joke? Is this really happening? What did you say? I asked him last time where he was. He said I'm in downtown. I asked him again, where are you now? He's like, I'm in the downtown. No problem, I'm coming. No problem. This is a joke, man. This guy is doing art. We've just been Art Basel. You fuck Rick Roll, you've been Art Basel. This whole fucking thing's not even real. I didn't really want my keys in the car.
Justin, are you doing this for art's sake?
Where are your keys? Stop pulling on the door.
Yeah, because that'll do the whole trick. This is gonna break the door.
Dude, I'm both doing Miami, Art Basel, 2 Square. We got this shit on lock. Hour 75 minutes already.
I'm gonna put a turd
in this cylinder.
What did the other dude say?
Check this out. Alright, we gotta think of a plot.
We gotta do something.
Okay, while he's working on it, 2 of us will go around and we'll do something like jam shit underneath his door handle.
Stick something to the steel pipe or something.
Banana.
That's gorilla pipe. Do it! I got a banana right there.
Who wants to do it?
I'm not doing it.
Somebody's got to get this on film.
Spider-Man.
Are you gonna get this on film?
You're the amazing Spider-Man. I think you tailpipe.
What does a banana and tailpipe do?
Oh, he's good.
Banana!
Hello? Yeah? Yeah, man. Are you 6 minutes away? Are you still 6 minutes away? Yeah. Walgreens. Same place. We haven't moved. We had to move when we parked this car. Yeah. How long? Yes! Yes!
Got it, alright. Time is long. That's definitely good. I hope my guy shows up. Hey, that's your guy. Look, get me past the banana box guy.
I'm good. Only like she was straight with I should be honest, okay, you can get a crack. Huh? You can get a crack on that? Okay, it's 75 go down. I was told 35.
There's no tailpipe.
He said $100 altogether. It's at 35.
He just jacked up his price 60%. Okay, it's $75.
No, wait, hold on. Did somebody say $35?
Yes!
Who said $35?
I call it the company.
Hold on, call him. Find out. Call the other guy.
So not only you're dishonest on top of being
No. He's gonna figure it out. Let him call the other guy.
So how much is it going to be? Let's just check this if it's pregnant. Probably in 10 minutes, like, anyway, like $75. No, they said 35. It's strict. They said 35 only. Oh, it's your homeboy. What's he do? It's like in the country, man. Real fun. Call that guy. There was somebody standing there.
Call them. Because, I mean, you got the tools, right? You need to do it. It's just like...
Yeah, I only condition. I cannot do it like
We'll use this guy. If you don't want to do it, we'll use this guy. Thank God this guy showed up. How did this guy come from? I mean, you're playing games. Somebody says $35. We'll ask this guy how much he'll charge. Try to get a banana shot.
It's going down gorilla style.
Here they are.
I just want to make sure it's the same price, the cash price.
The what?
The cash price that we discussed on the phone.
Yeah.
It's $40 cash.
Alright, bro. Thank you.
Good job.
Did you get it?
Thank you.